One fateful day, Prince Siddhartha decided to venture outside the palace. As he traveled through the city, he encountered old age, sickness, and death for the first time. These encounters shook him to the core, and he realized that suffering was an inherent part of human existence. Deeply moved by the suffering he witnessed, Prince Siddhartha renounced his royal life and set out on a quest for truth and liberation. He embarked on a spiritual journey seeking guidance from various teachers and masters, but none could provide him with the answers he sought. Determined to find a solution, Siddhartha sat in deep meditation under a Bodhi tree. After a prolonged period of introspection, he attained enlightenment and became the Buddha, which means the awakened one. He understood the root cause of suffering and discovered the path to end it. The Buddha's teachings can be summarized in the Four Noble Truths. First, he identified that suffering exists in the world. Second, he recognized that suffering is caused by attachment and desires. Third, he realized that suffering can be overcome by extinguishing these desires. And fourth, he outlined the Eightfold Path as a guide to achieve liberation from suffering. The Buddha dedicated the rest of his life to sharing his insights and teachings with others. He traveled throughout India, establishing a community of followers who embraced his teachings. His compassionate teachings and profound wisdom continue to inspire and guide millions of people to this day. The story of Buddha teaches us that suffering is an inherent part of life, but it's possible to find liberation from it. By understanding the causes of suffering and following the path of wisdom and compassion, we can learn to deal with pain and find lasting peace within ourselves. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this journey through the story of Buddha enlightening and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Remember, you have the power to transform your own life and create a better world.